Yeah, sure. The vehicles itself, they are now and they will be in the future be mechanical components. Let's say, yeah? We can't drive from one place to the other in the cloud. Impossible. So we need these devices, these physical things, and as long as there are physical things, then it doesn't matter if it's battery powered or gasoline powered or diesel powered. If a vehicle object or if an object will go over a bump, there will be some dynamic in that vehicle, and you'll need to account for that in your design. So there is still a need for mechanical engineers as well in the automotive. We see that production techniques, however, change a lot. If we look at Tesla, for instance, they kind of try to take different approaches. And we see there, well, I presume that mechanical engineers had a lot to do with that. They're trying to change their production, and they are now producing vehicles with a front end, one piece, a back end, one piece, and then a structural battery in between. So what we see there is that the drivetrain components, the battery is in fact the drivetrain component, will become a structural part of the vehicle itself. And so there's a big effort from a mechanical engineer in that perspective.
I like what you said. There are some things that can move to the cloud, and for some things, you're going to need the mechanical components, and that's so true. Even if you add a layer of AI and you have self-driven cars, a more automated structure which is trying to guide all the cars on the road, even those cars will require mechanical components, and therefore mechanical engineers do have a good future. So thanks for that.